Let's clarify what WPS is and how it functions on your Spectrum router. WPS, or Wi-Fi Protected Setup, is a feature designed to simplify connecting devices to your Wi-Fi network without needing to manually enter a password. Spectrum routers often have a physical WPS button for easy pairing. This video focuses on using the WPS button for both push button and pin pairing methods. While convenient, it's important to know that WPS has known security vulnerabilities. While convenient, it's important to know that WPS has known security vulnerabilities. In newer Spectrum routers, you might find the option to disable WPS in the router's settings, usually accessed via 192.168.1.1 to enhance security. This is because WPS has been deprecated by the Wi-Fi Alliance, who recommends alternatives like WPA3 for better protection. Despite this, Spectrum continues to offer WPS for compatibility with older devices. It's compatible with most Spectrum routers that use both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. Ensure your device matches the band of your router. Keep your router's firmware updated to mitigate security risks. The next section will explain how to connect using WPS. There are two primary ways to use WPS: push button and pin pairing. The easiest method is push button pairing. Locate the WPS button on your Spectrum router. It might be recessed, so you might need a paper clip. Press and hold the WPS button for 3 to 5 seconds until the LED light starts blinking. Then on your device, go to its Wi-Fi settings and look for the WPS or Connect via WPS option. Activate it. The devices should pair automatically within a minute. For pin pairing, access your Spectrum router settings through a web browser, usually at spectrum.net or 192.168.1.1. Navigate to the wireless settings, find the WPS section, and select pin mode. Generate a pin on your device and enter it on the router's page. Click Connect. Remember that pin pairing is less secure and more vulnerable to brute force attacks, so push button is typically the preferred method. When using WPS, you can only connect one device at a time. If you encounter issues, ensure your router's firmware is up to date and consider disabling WPS entirely in favor of more secure methods like WPA3, especially on public networks.